this is how to download the Deriv Meta Trader 5 application on your cloud laptop. You click on Chrome or whatever browser is in your VPS. This particular VPS has Microsoft Edge. Select it at the bottom. I selected it at the bottom. Then you remove all these things. Okay. Just follow this step, blah blah blah. Don't know what they're saying here, but I'm just going to use the let me try to reload the screen. Okay. I'm just going to use the search section above directly. So when you click on the search section above, you click on this keyboard at the top. Click on keyboard, then search deriv.com mt5. Then click on enter. You can click on the keyboard again to remove it from screen. Then look for this Deriv MT5, click on it. Then click on download now. And that Deriv MT5, note that the website is deriv.com. Take note, don't go for pray for scammers. Just download, so click on download now. Then click on Windows to download the MT5 for Windows. I've already downloaded it, but just for the purpose of the video, I'm doing it again. That's why you're seeing Deriv 5 setup 1, and VPS network is very fast, extremely fast. So I simply click on, put my cursor on top here, and then click on this folder symbol to open the file manager. I had downloaded it previously, you see it here. So I'll simply double click on the one I downloaded earlier, double click, then set it up. Dismiss. I click on finish. So just opened. I'll just simply scroll downwards, put my cursor on top the Deriv MT5 application, tap and hold, and then click on pin to taskbar. So in the previous video I talked about where you search your broker and then you sign in first. So it's that simple. That's the particular page that is being shown to you now, where you click on file, then you click on open an account, then you search broker. This is the particular page. So you just log in your Deriv MT5 account, then follow the next steps in previous videos.